What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to do yet another video. It's gonna be another revisit and it's gonna be on the Redmi K20 Pro. The Redmi K20 Pro was launched as Xiaomi's flagship killer device for 2019. It was powered by a Snapdragon 855 along with 6 or 8 gigs of RAM and 128 or 256 gigs of UFS 2.1 storage. It has a 4000 mAh battery along with an 18 watt quick charger. It has a 6.39 inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080. The fingerprint reader is an in-display unit. The in-display fingerprint reader unlocks the phone pretty quick. The phone is extremely good looking with the rear finish making it stand out. The glass and metal build looks cool with 4 color options to choose from. The display too is equally beautiful with punchy colors and deep blacks. All these combine to make the phone look stunning. And man, this phone is just so good looking and it's not overdone. That's the best part. I especially like the red power button on this particular version. It's a subtle touch that just enhances the overall look of the phone. The Redmi K20 Pro has a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary sensor, a 13 megapixel ultrawide and an 8 megapixel telephoto. The photos taken using the primary sensor were impressive. The ultrawide adds a different perspective. Overall, I'm impressed with the cameras on this thing. And the night mode, it's just really good. The front camera, it's a 20 megapixel sensor. The selfies taken are okayish with the skin tones being messed up. So another thing that I appreciate Xiaomi for doing is they put in a headphone jack in this. I mean seriously guys, it's a 2019 phone and you guys still put in a headphone jack. I mean that's good. That's seriously good. The one real downside is the software. It is far from being stock, which is not what I'd prefer on a smartphone, and it comes loaded with bloatware straight out of the box. This affects the user experience, and there are ads which though can be disabled in the settings is not welcome in a phone with flagship beating intentions. Overall, the software experience could be better and it could have been a lot more smoother had it been a little more closer to stock Android. The Redmi K20 Pro is a good phone, but is it still worth buying now? Especially considering the fact that the launch of the Redmi K30 Twins is not far away. In my opinion, I think you guys should wait and either get the Redmi K30 series or maybe in this case the K30 Pro, or maybe just get the K20 Pro at a lower price. So that's it guys, that's it for the video. Those are my thoughts on the Redmi K20 Pro, and hit that like button if you like this video. Smash it, I mean literally smash it, kill that like button. Subscribe if you aren't already and hit that bell icon for future updates, and see you guys in the next one. Peace. So another thing that I appreciate for Xiaomi